So children, we'll continue from page number 33 today only. Okay, I'm going to finish the chapter today only. Okay, so go through the first video properly to understand up to page number 32. Now we start page number 33, 34, 35 will complete today only. Okay, so what is the next topic? Opening a program. How we will open any program, open any file. Okay, so how we will open, as I have discussed earlier also, if I will select like this, click like this, it means I have selected this item, okay, this program. And if I have to open this, I will double click and open it. I will double click and open it. Understand? And there is one more way to open. Right click. This is right click. Right click, open. See, you will get it will be opened. Understand? So this topic you understand how we will have to open the program. Now we will see this one, arranging the desktop icons. As you arrange your study desk to make it tidy, similarly you can arrange the icons on the desktop to give it a better look. Children, if this is my desk, example, this is my desk, and if I will keep all the files here, there, like this, okay, it is looking very untidy. No children, it is looking very untidy. बहुत ही अजीब सा लग रहा है ना. The way you are managing your desk, no, in the same way we can manage our desktop also. How? See, all are unmanaged, no, mismanaged, not managed in a proper way. So we'll do the right click. This is our right click. Then we'll do the view. What we will click? View. Then here is one option, no, auto arrange icons. Auto arrange. You get everyone has came in the place. And again I'm showing you like this. I'm doing. Sorry. You're getting all are arranging by its own because it is now selected. Right click, sort by, view by, auto arrange. It is clicked here, no, right tick here, no. It means it will arrange auto, खुद पर खुद arrange हो जाएगा. If it will be mismanaged, unarranged, then it will be arranged automatically. Now I will show you again. If I will see, it is not going now in the proper place because I have just removed the tick sign from there. I have just removed the tick sign from there. Understand? Then we'll do the right click, view, auto arrange. Understand? Okay. Now next, sorting the icons. Sorting the desktop items means arranging them in a proper sequence. Right click on the blank area of the desktop. A shortcut menu appears. Okay, what is the sorting? Children, sorting means to arrange something according to the alphabet, like your roll number. In class, if someone's name is starting with letter A, his or her roll number will come first. Okay, like what is the first roll number of your class? Aradhya, no? Double A. I hope Aradhya, I'm thinking Aradhya. So Aradhya name is starting from A, then Aradhya's name is coming. Then Vibhas after that. All the A alphabet name will come first, then B, then C, then D. In the same way, children, here also all things we can arrange like this. Understand? We will do the view. Right click, view, sort by. Where we will go now? Sort by name. See, everything is coming like that. Everything will come like that. View, sort by name. According to the name, all are sorted. All are sorted. Understand? Children, understand? Okay. How we will do? Right click, sort by name. Again we'll do view. We can do auto arrange. Now, next come to page number 34. So you arrange the desktop icons, you understand. We'll do the right click, then we select view, then we select the auto arrange icons. When we have to do the sorting, right click, we will select sort by name. It will be arranged alphabetically. Now I will make you understand mouse pointer shapes. Children, right now my mouse pointer look like this, like an arrow, no? So like an arrow it is looking. We call that normal. We call that normal. When we do our computer refresh, it comes like this. Or whatever work we are doing, if it is opening in our computer, the mouse pointer becomes like this. Understand? This is called busy. Okay? When they have both the arrows in both the side, double headed. What we call that double headed, for resizing the windows or picture. When we resize, we can change the size, then the mouse pointer change into this. When we move pictures and toolbars, when we move anything in our desktop, the mouse pointer change in this. It is four-headed. And I beam, when it becomes like I, it means we have to insert text in a document. Like when we have to see, it is I, no? I, sorry. You're getting mouse pointer is I. It means we can insert anything. We can insert anything. We can write anything. We can write our name here. Understand? Then the last one is when arrow. What is the last one? When arrow and this sign is there, it means something is working in the background. Computer is doing something. Computer is doing something. Computer is doing something. So this all are the different mouse pointers. This all are the different mouse pointers. Clear? So what is the meaning of this? When mouse is like this, it is normal. When mouse is like a circle, it is busy. Double-headed, when we have to resize the window. Four-headed, when we have to move the pictures. And for inserting text, when we are going to write any text, it become I. And when something is working in the background, it becomes like this. Okay? Now we'll come to this, changing the desktop background. You enjoy working with window as it is user friendly. You can change the appearance of the desktop background according to your choice. Okay, what is desktop background? Children, like the way you are changing the picture of your mobile, display picture or the screensaver of your mobile, in computer also we can change the desktop. Okay, how we will change? We will right click. We will go in personalize. Then how our window looks, a desktop like this, no? I want to make this one. Which one? This one. Now you will see changed, no? How I have done, again I'm saying right click, personalize. You can change from here, this one. Then you will cross from here. Let's see. Changed. Again, personalize. Okay. Then we'll select from here this one. Then we'll cross. This is looking nice, no? So I will keep my desktop background like this. Understand how you have to change the desktop background? Okay. Now next, changing the screensaver. Screensaver is an image which pops up on the computer screen whenever a computer remains idle for a short time. By pressing any key, you can get back to the normal screen again. Following are the given steps to change the screensaver. Children, first we understand what is screensaver. For example, I am working in our computer and for some time my computer is opened, but I am not doing anything on my computer. Okay, I am not doing anything on my computer. Then a particular screen will come. We call that screensaver. थोड़ा देर के लिए एक स्क्रीन आ जाएगा, एक पिक्चर्स आ जाएगा. We call that screensaver. Understand? And when we press any key, it will go back. Okay, it will go back. Like that only we'll do. Right click, personalize. Okay. Then we'll go in themes, and like this we can change. Understand? Whatever you want to change, select, you can select. I think You all have understand, no? Okay. So up to here, what I have discussed, first I will make you understand, then I will make you understand the last topic. Okay. Okay, I'm starting again. Operating system. The children, the way in which our mother and father are managing all the household activities. In the same way, operating system in our computer manages all the work of the computer. So that Windows is an operating system. Next, what I have explained you, desktop. When we open our computer, the first screen we get, this one, no? This is desktop. The different pictures on the desktops are icons. Okay, and the longest bar on the bottom of the desktop is this one. Bottom one is taskbar, which is we call that taskbar. And on the taskbar, this is start button. This is start button. This is the middle section, and this is the notification area, where we get the time and date and battery and network, Bluetooth, everything. And this is the display screen, desktop. From the help of start button, we can open any file. Okay. So when we are keeping our mouse pointed on this, it is selected. It means it is selected. And when I will click here, it means it is not selected. It is only one I am selecting, no? If I want to select 2 or 3 items, what I will press? I will hold the shift key and the left mouse button like this. Okay, we can select like this. Understand? If we have to select the more, we will do like this. Okay. Like this way. Is getting, no? I press the shift key, then whatever I want to select, I'm selecting like this. Getting? Understand? Adjacent means एक दूसरे के बगल में, एक से एक जो जुड़ा हुआ है. They all are selected. Now, if I want to select non-adjacent item, it means if I want to select this one and this one, this one and this one, how I will do? I will press the control, select, then wherever I want 2 items are selected, no? Non-adjacent. Adjacent means together. Non-adjacent means some are here, some are there. So when we have to select the adjacent items, we can use shift key. And when we have to select non-adjacent item, we use control key. Understand? Children, understand? Okay. Now children, if I have to open any program, how I will open? I will double click and open. Okay. And we can right click and open also. Like this also we can open. Okay. If I have to arrange auto, we will go in view, then we will auto arrange. Clear? View, auto arrange. If I want to sort by name, sort by name. Clear? All the mouse pointers you understand. If I have to change the desktop background, I have to right click on the desktop, then we'll do personalize, children. Okay, then we'll do personalize, then we'll select and change the background. Okay, now the last one, how to shut down your computer. We will shut down by this. We'll go in start button. We will press here. Shut down is written, no? Shut down. Clear? Like this, we can shut down our computer. I hope you all understand. Please go through the video properly, children, and try to understand the chapter. Thank you and have a very nice day. Stay safe, stay home.